This is me again. How are you everybody? And now this is our schedule again, taking a video while I am waiting our plain rice done. And luto ako, cook. And rice cooker. So guys, as I said yesterday, I will show you. I said buy and buy, but I cannot. What is that? So this is it. This is our new hair dryer. This is strong open test comb. I turbo that is for Co, because Co has a long hair. So we have three kinds of dryer hair, but I need a strong and a big, because the big one is not working good. What is that? So this is it. This is from Yodobashi camera, Yodobashi camera electric appliances. There is a plastic here, a paper plastic bag, and it's the box of the hair dryer for Co. I bought this 2 days ago. I don't know. Yes, yesterday before. So that is Sunday. So this is it. And the other one is Android. For my iPhone, there's a battery, disposable battery with Maxell. That is Japan made. And this one is for hair dryer. So that is this one. You see, where is this? This is for hair dryer, and I move. That is for hair dryer. Head. I will set this one. Where could I set this one? I think this one. And this one. I think this is. Just a moment, please, guys. I will set this for you. Oh, what? Yeah, this one. I set now already. I set it. This is the head. And because I will wash the body of Co. So then this is this one. Tawag nito. We call it in cable cord, 1 meter straight cable. So it calls this for my iPhone. And also, you know, my iPhone is, I have a cord of electric. It's a cord or electric. Yeah, it's a cord or cable. And this one is for the outside. When I was in it, when we are in the outside, I will use this when we are in the outside. I got, this is the last one I got. It's not so very expensive, it's cheap. And because I bought this in the outlet of this Yodobashi camera, Yodobashi store, Yodobashi.com, www.yodobashi.com. Say there's a station office supplies, Yodobashi Deli, and mobile phone, refrigerators, light fixtures, bicycle, cosmetics, and what else? Oh, a blurry and DVD players, digital record, CDs and DVDs, mobile phone, health appliances, cooking appliances, and there are so many places. Total multiple PC supplies, tablets and baby supplies, also fashion, smartphones, printers, air condition, and what else? My brother request me to buy a taster there. So maybe next week, or by the next week, next week, I will go back there to find or to look or search for my brother request. That is, he requested me a tester. I don't know how much the price. And thank you for watching, guys, because we will eat na. And this is the cleaner, alcohol with tissue alcohol, and this is the cleaner. So Ko is now resting because he was already ate his dinner. Eat dinner now. Bye bye.